Everyone is talking about AI on YouTube, how it is changing the way we create content. But here's something most people miss: blogging has completely transformed too. In email marketing, subject lines are everything. One single line decides if your email gets opened or ignored. And right now, there's a subject line formula that's going viral. Normally, writing a full blog about it would take hours, but this one was done in under 3 minutes with using autoblogging.ai. If you see, there's a professional headlines with images and even infographics added, with a proper FAQs, with a relevant YouTube video. And I did not write anything myself. And let me walk you through how I did this. After you log in, on your left panel, there are different modes like quick, wizard, single, bulk generate. I'm going to go with wizard. It takes me through every setting one by one so I can customize the blog exactly the way I need. Article title, I'm going to type the subject line formula that's going viral, right? Next, article language. Now, autoblogging supports 30 languages. That means you can create your blog in English, Spanish, French, Hindi, and instantly reach global audience. But since email marketing is widely discussed in English, I am going to keep it English. Next, for the article length, because the subject line formulas need explanation but don't require a full 3000 word guide, I will go with medium. But here's a quick breakdown. Short is great for quick tips or a news update, and long is best for deep dive guides or SEO heavy blog. Next, here, this sets how the blog will be structured. For this topic, I will choose informative because I want to explain the formula step by step. But here's what other style do. Listicle creates a numbered layouts like 5 tricks or 10 tips and places. This one is built for location based blogs when you're writing about a specific city or region. And service bar landing page is designed for businesses to showcase services benefits and call to action. Next, point of view, I'll go with second person so the blog speaks directly to the readers, but you can also use first person if you want to share your own experience, and third person for more formal and neutral style. Next, for the style, I'm going to keep it on auto. That way the AI adjusts based on the title and tone. But here's what other style do. Less AI words makes the writing sounds more natural and simple. Premium style optimized formatting for SEO. Snippet optimizer is it helps the article rank in Google featured snippet. Conversational is more friendly approach. Witty is more casual and adds a playful tone. And professional is for polished and a serious blog. For it's good for B2B. Next, here I'm going to tick on all the 4 boxes. Intense optimized article. It structures the blog for SEO with stronger headings and keyword placement. FAQs pulls in real questions people are asking on Google and answer them inside your blog. AI images will generate relevant visuals and insert them with alt text. And infographics adds a simple chart or summary visuals, making it easier to read. SERP analysis. This is a powerful feature. It checks the top ranking blogs on your topic. It looks at their structure, keywords, and what makes them rank, and then build your blog with those proven patterns. Now you just have to enable this, and in the source context box, type how you want your article to be. And in the SERP location, you can also select the country where you want to rank first. Here, I'm going to tick on all the 4 boxes. Outline from competition. It uses the same structure as high ranking blogs. External link will automatically add references to trusted sources. YouTube video will add a related video to keep readers engaged. And key takeaways will add a summary box at the end. It's perfect for readers who just want the highlight. Next, AI proofreading. This automatically fixes grammar and keep the tone consistent, so no manual editing needed. You just have to enable this and quickly leave a guideline here. Next, internal linking. Now, if you've already got blogs on topics like email marketing tips or automation tools, just add your website here. Just enable this and add your website here. Autoblogging will automatically connect them, which keep readers on your site longer and improves SEO. Next, human proofreading. Now, if you want a real human editor to review the article for tone or accuracy or the fact checks, you can just enable this and quickly leave a note here. For this, you will require a human proofreading credits, which you can purchase anytime from your dashboard. Now, just hit on generate article, click on the history tab, Scroll down and wait for the view like icon here. Click on that. Your full blog is ready with SEO structured, optimized, with images, with proper headlines, and even infographics added, with proper FAQs at the bottom, and with a YouTube video. And if you're in a hurry, here's what you can do. Go to modes and go to quick and single. Just drop in your title here, and with fewer clicks, you can generate a full blog. It's just as same as Wizard. And if you want to upload 10, 50, or even 100 titles at once, auto blogging will create all of them and even auto post them straight to WordPress. And that's how fast it is. The subject line formula may be going viral in email marketing, but writing about it doesn't need to take you hours. With autoblogging.ai, you can create a full SEO ready article in under 3 minutes. And if you're too busy writing campaigns, you can also try a done for you blog service. Just give us the topic and we will deliver the article. If this was helpful, hit a like, subscribe, and drop a comment telling me the email marketing trend you would like me to convert next.